Muted. Hello, hello. Is this working? Yeah, this is working. Alright, hi, welcome. Alright, anyways, hi, welcome anyone who may be here. Hello, VOD gang. Okay, so, today, like, part of me was gonna be like, oh yeah, let's go play some create mod, let's do some silly stuff in create mod. But then I kinda remembered I had the goofy silly, right? Alright, I have the folder on my desktop here. Let's go ahead and close this. What the frick is jQuery and why are people using it in 2024? That's a really good question, actually. That's an incredibly good question. I'm not too sure. Like, what's it called? Yeah, I have no clue. I actually just have no clue. Let me just open this real quick. Let's have this open in a separate window. And then I'll just like open these guys. Open with VS Code. There we go. Yeah, this is gonna. I have no clue. Last time I wrote a JS app, I used vanilla JS and it was fine. Like I have no clue what the I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. I'll explain a little more as I get into it. Yeah, I'll explain a little more as I get into it. I'm mostly just trying to like get myself back into the swing of things. Yeah, I'm mostly just trying to get myself back into the swing of things. I was going to, like, I feel like I could have done a lot of cool things if I just didn't lose all my motivation immediately. What's it called? Oh, where is it? I saw a message. I saw a message up top somewhere. Do you go live on Twitch? No, I actually don't. I actually don't stream on Twitch. Anyways, let's go over here. Boom. All right, window capture. Let's do this. So like, this is kind of like. Yeah, this is what what I'm starting with right now. This is what like the thing kind of looks like right now. It's kind of like really scuff. But yeah, so north, west. I don't think you can go west, east, south, and then I think it's like east again. West. There we go. But yeah, so like, it's just like a sort of little project to like get myself like back into things, cause like. My computer science, like my AP Comp Sci A class, a couple years ago. Actually, when was it? Actually, it was last year. Yeah, like my AP Comp Sci A class last year, like killed all of my motivation, and I'm just barely now getting back into things. But yeah. Anyways, so I kind of want to work on this thing again, and like I know, like I don't think I will be using jQuery at all. I just kind of want to do stuff. To be honest, I just kind of want to do stuff. Like the reason why I'm using this dusty crusty ass freaking API is because like, what's it called? When I started this project, like, oh, was it like 2 years ago? Dude, it's so old. I'm prepping for SW interviews and it sucks. Good luck. Like I say good luck on like as in like on one hand I have no clue what that is, but on the other hand it sounds really tough. So good luck, man. But yeah, I'm just using jQuery because like. A while ago, I used to be like really obsessed, not like obsessed, like I had this like interest for like interactive fiction, really old stuff like freaking Zork and everything, where like there's like a command line interface, and like you, why did I say command line interface? I don't know. There's like a little, yeah, you know, let's see if I can, yeah, something like this shit, right? Boom. Yeah, you can like there's like a little place where you put in text and stuff, and like it gives you back like. I'm great at explaining things. But you can type in like different little commands and things to like move you around like the map and stuff. And then inventory. I have no inventory. Yeah, you can move around to different places and like interact with different things, and like it's a really old kind of computer game. What's it called? Yeah. No, I don't play Animal Crossing. But yeah. For today's stream, I don't think I'm going to be, okay, like, I want to kind of like lock in, like, I will be like answering the little questions, but like, I want to mostly focus on like what I'm trying to do here. Just a little reminder, try to keep things, like, since it's not a just chatting stream, try to keep things a little on topic. It's probably a little hard to follow, but like, I don't know. But yeah, okay. But yeah, first off, like, this is what I have here. Let's go. Can I use, like, a game capture for this? I don't think I can use game capture for this. Right. Okay. Okay, I'll at least answer that question. I don't really watch anime that much. Anymore, at least. Yeah, I don't really watch anime that anymore. I don't watch anime that much anymore. I'm in like the phase of like anime. I'm like at that phase. Like I'm like the final form of an anime fan where I don't watch anime at all because I just can't. I just can't bring myself to. Like I cannot get through a single episode on 2x speed without falling asleep anymore. Keep it on topic for a topic of knowledge. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna roll that back. Feel free to talk. I just probably might not be answer. I probably not gonna reply to everything. Firefox is nice. Yeah, like I'm using Firefox simply because like what's it called? Adblock doesn't work on my YouTube anymore. Like what's it called? I can't play any of that. But like what's it called? uBlock didn't work on Chrome, and I used to use Opera GX, but like I assume it's because it's based off of Chromium. Like the adblock didn't work anymore. When I switched over to Firefox, the adblock works now. But yeah, that's, yeah. Anyways, what's it called? Right, I need to get another window capture here. Let's go window capture, sure, window capture 2, I guess. Probably chat docs, or not. Scroll this down, scroll this all the way down. I have so many like empty sources. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's huge, okay. Okay, let's like resize this properly. This is so scuff. All right, here we go. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll shrink this. There we go. Welcome to whatever the hell this is. Okay, is this like control? There we go. There we go, it fits. YouTube recommendation docs. I go on my YouTube like all the time on this channel. Sure. Anyways, so no, Spotify, no. Okay. Anyways, Red Star browser. I remember watching a video about that. Don't they have like literally nothing? But yeah, so like here's what this looks like. Yeah, I'll have like this sort of open. But yeah, I have two files here. I have main.js and I have rooms.js. Main.js is sort of like what runs everything. Caesar intensifies. And then rooms.js is like all the room information. This is mostly just like a. Right now, what this is mostly just like a tiny little basic engine. I want to get the basic stuff working first. Yeah, I want to get the basic stuff working first before, what's it called? Yeah, hold on. Let's go ahead. Can I rename this? Control S. And then we'll save this as, yeah, just like a text document. Notes, I guess. Alright, so this is mostly just I guess like a little engine, I guess. I want to develop this until the point where I can just like slot in whatever and then make something with it. I'm gonna change this in the background. I'm not good with PC. What is this? This is what's it called? This is Visual Studio Code, and it's just like a place where you can type in code. It's I forget what this is called. I think like it's called an IDE, whatever the frick it's called. IDE meaning, I forget what it means. It's been so long since I've done any of this. An integrated development environment, you know. It's basically just like, it's just Notepad, except it has like a lot of like nice sort of visual things. Yeah, hi, welcome. So right now, I've got to like actually like understand what these functions are. First. So like I'm seeing like in the note like what's it called? Like, it looks like we start off things with a $ parentheses. Yeah, okay, it looks like the first sort of argument thing here is like a... Okay, like, dollar parentheses... dot name and that, I guess. Yeah, it looks like this is how like the basic sort of like this is how like the new stuff in jQuery is formatted, I guess. Okay. Yeah, so like this, and like inside here is like the target, and like in here you can put in functions and stuff. Okay, so like what is what? What is inside what? Okay, so here's the ready function. Well, we have two lines here that sort of like, this kind of like starts the thing. World.start.description. What is that? Okay. Yeah, world.start.description. So, alright, we also have to open, where's my file explorer? Index, open with code. Here we go. Okay, so here's the main index, like the main HTML file. What is an interactive fiction? What's it called? So like an interactive fiction is like an older style game. I showed it off at the start, but like, hold on, where is it? Yeah, let's go here, the Dreamhold. Yeah, so like text adventure, like interactive fictions or like text adventures. It's a really old kind of game where you have like a bunch of information on like a little sort of like command line here where you can type in commands. It's just like it's an interactive book basically. It's an interactive book. So like it gives you like information about like where you are and like the story. And, like it kind of describes the space around you. Like for example here, the space barely wider than outstretched arms seems to have been chopped raw and square from an unfinished stone. Only the floor is smooth, a fine white surface beneath your feet. There is a narrow gap in the east wall. So like what you can do here, like since it tells you like there's a narrow gap in the east wall, you can like examine the gap. So like examine gap. And if you type in examine and then like, yeah, if you want to examine the gap, you examine the gap. You see a narrow oblong opening in the east wall. Not much of a doorway, but big enough to get through. So like if we go east through the gap, this lets us out into a hallway. So yeah, like AI dungeons, not really. Yeah, thanks for liking everyone who is. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm working in like JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, like the basic sort of like, yeah, the basic like web development stuff. If you know Python, JS isn't hard to pick up. Yeah. I totally know Python, guys. I totally know Python. Like, I'm like putting off learning Python because like, I probably shouldn't. I'll learn it eventually. It's really not that hard anyways. But yeah. Just use triple equals where you use double equals and you'd be fine. Okay. Anyways, yeah, so that's kind of like a basic synopsis of what the hell these are. Anyways, so let's see. What is this? Okay, so this is like the basic isn't it called like boilerplate or something? Yeah, so we have like two paragraph tags, like we have the room name and the game text. And then we also have like the text input here. That's the third line. And then I have like the JavaScript loaded at the bottom. I think this is all at the bottom. I have no clue why actually. Would I not just load this in the head? Cause like actually, yeah, wouldn't I do this right? Yeah, are I not supposed to do this? Is this valid? Actually, wait, no, I just... Oh. Okay. Anyways. Let's, like, test if this works real quick. Hold on. Okay, I refreshed the page. It's working. Okay, it works. I don't know why I thought it would break it, but it works. Anyways, yeah, I think that's supposed to be the top and not the bottom. I think there was a reason why I was told to put it at the, like, I followed like a really old tutorial to like make the base of this, so I kind of have no clue what the hell this is. But kind of like looking at it now, like I kind of get it. Yeah, so this like imports the jQuery library, and this links it. Stop, Spotify, stop. So it's a single player D&D. It's not really D&D either. Yeah, it's not really D&D either. It's really its own little thing. Like, what? How do I explain it? I'm not really too sure. But like, yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, right. What was I talking about? Yeah. So this links. So these two lines link the these two. Okay, that's what that does. All right. So, what am I looking at here? Okay, so like there's an on ready, there's a document ready function, and then there's like a document key press function. Key. Okay, so like I think if I close this, I think key 13 is enter. Yeah, because like let user input equal the value of the whatever the yeah. Okay, so like yeah, key press 13. jQuery key presses? Question mark? It's actually, let's like look this up on my, oh. Like all my windows are like killing me. Okay, here we go. Let's chuck that into there. And open this. Here we go. Why are you wide now? Why are you wide now? There we go. Okay, so this. Okay, I don't think that's what I'm looking for. Like all I know is that 13 for whatever reason. Yeah, all I know is that 13 for whatever reason is enter. Ugh. Burp. Okay. Okay. Right. I'm having a brain fart. What the heck am I doing? Anyways. Okay, so inside... Okay, inside... What is this? Okay, so... Key press... And it's a function, right? My brain hurts! Like, I genuinely don't understand what I'm put here. Okay. Because, like, I took this from, like, an old tutorial video a long time ago, like 2 years ago. Document.keypress. So I guess inside this is just like a... I have no clue how this works. Okay, just like, I don't think I need to understand exactly how this works. Like, all I need to know is that, like, all of this says that, like, whenever I press enter... Actually, not this. Like, all of this says that whenever I press enter... I don't know if I can play that. There we go. Anyways, yeah. I think the important part here is that here, when I press enter, it takes whatever I have in the input. Yeah, okay, whatever I have here, it takes this and then puts it into the user input variable, which is stored here. Yeah, so like, if it's enter, hold on. Yeah, okay. I don't need to think about this anymore. Okay, anyways. So, okay, one of the first sort of big things I notice here is like I have this like big ass switch case. I know like switch cases are better than ifs, like better than if trees, but like I feel like I might actually just become the next yandere dev if I just have like this big ass like 300 line switch case. It's like what this does is like for each bit of like user input, it's like these each kind of like recognize like what's it called? These each kind of like recognize like little commands. So like for example, like right now it's just like movement stuff, like right, like north and east, southwest, right? So yeah, so every time I type in one of these, it moves me around on the world map. So like up here I have a variable declared as xy. And yeah, I have a variable declared as xy. And every time I like this just kind of like recognizes like whenever I enter any of those commands like north, south, east, west, it just moves me up, down, left, or right depending on, you know, like there's like a check if I'm like up against the wall, lmao coding stream. Hi, welcome. If case n and north are the same, you can just do... Wait, really? Hold on, so like... Okay, so real quick. Can I just... Wait, can I just do this? Hold on. Boom. Like that? Okay, let's like comment this out real quick. I just want to see how... I want to see this one. Okay, so I'm gonna hit Control Save. If this works, that's actually gonna be sick. What the heck? Wait. Pause. Okay, so if we go N, S, North. Yo, wait, that's sick! Put case N on a new line for style? Okay, yeah. Wait! That's huge! That's huge! That is so huge! Okay. Hold on, so we do... Yo, wait! That's crazy! Okay, get rid of... this. That is so huge. Okay, there we go. Basically, in a switch case, the code jumps to a case given the input and then execute until it hits breaks, ignoring any further cases along the way. Oh! Oh! Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so if I go ahead and refresh this. Oh, okay, that's so sick. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. That's good. Okay, nice. What are you making? Yeah, like just like the other guy said, I'm adding to like my old sort of like game thing. Yeah, so like that is really nice. That is really nice because like there's a lot of cases, like for example, if I add let's like fix this. Like for example, if I add like case case examine, right? Case X. Why is this blue? Did I screw something up? Why is this blue? Okay, what is this? Console.log. Hi. Okay. Why is this blue? What did I do? Did you put a semicolon? Oh wait, am I supposed to do this? Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. I am for gore. Yeah, so there's that. I want to add that. Cease. Looks like you did. Yeah, I forget to, you know. Anyways. Have you made a visual interface yet that I can see? By visual interface, like, I do technically have this, but like, this cease counter 1, lmao. It clearly works, right? Just use brain power. But yeah. Okay, so there's that. Case. So I want to add this. I want to add inventory. Case inv. In case I break. What is that? Okay. Break. There. And then we'll do console.log inventory. There we go. Have you seen the tool I wrote in Vanilla.js? The internet interface looks so scuffed. I don't think I have seen it. No, but like, what's it called? The tag editor thing. Dot. Oh, hi, Suse. Oh yeah, like lately on stream, like because no one's been. No. No. Oh, what a great time for Spotify to kill itself. I've tried clearing the cache. Clear cache. Do I have to reinstall Spotify or something? No. No. Alright, Spotify's dead. Yeah. Alright. Please? 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 Ah, oh, dang it. Okay, like, I started having the Spotify issue where it starts, like, pausing itself again. Okay, we're gonna be working in silence, I'm kidding. But yeah. Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome. Anyways, I just play, like, I just play my Spotify on stream because nobody stopped me. Yeah, because, like, nobody stopped me. I just kind of play whatever. As long as it isn't Mori Calliope, like, I don't get absolutely, like, blown up by the copyright lords. Speaking of Mori Calliope, she's having a 3D live karaoke. God dang it. God dang it. Okay, what can I... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna, like, put on something on, like, YouTube or something. Okay, let's, like, pull up stream BGM. Oh, that thing. Okay, I just opened Discord to, like, go into... Like, I just opened Discord because I have, like, all my stream BGM saved on, like, a Discord server. But yeah, I saw the DM. Yeah, that thingy. Yeah, Koro Tiger is so scuff. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. Here we go. I think that works. There we go. Anyways. Also, hi, welcome. Yo, a Vending stream. Welcome in, welcome in. But yeah, so there's this. Okay, I want to test. Okay, I want to test this now. Hold on. Inspect. Okay, so if I type. Okay, where's the console? Here it is. Okay. Inventory. I think it's just X. Yeah, examine. Okay, so. Yeah. Okay, that works. That's hooked up. Okay, so. All right, where's the other console log? Okay, so like console logs the user input. And then also, like, here I have the console log for, like, examine and inventory. I was expecting you to look at that after stream or something, lol. Yeah, like, also, thanks for liking, by the way, whoever just did. But yeah, I ended up looking at it just now. But yeah. Dang it, you didn't see my gaslighting. Oh no, I saw it in the corner of my eye. I saw that in the corner of my eye. I just chose to ignore you. I'm kidding. Anyways. Yeah, so there's this. And then default does nothing. Like, nothing does nothing. Alright, anyways. So that's that. Examine, inventory. So, like, this is going to be, like, the basic kind of stuff, I guess. Moving, examining things in the inventory are basic stuff. And then any further commands that are relevant to whatever game I want to make will just be, like, I'll copy all of this and, like, add in those. So, like, for example, if I want to add, like, use item or whatever, like, I'll be able to, like, throw that in. Anyways. I mean, you could throw an error on default, like, have a div that's just for error messages. Like, what this basically is, like, if you just, yeah, what this is for is if you just don't type anything, yeah, if you just don't type anything, it just doesn't do anything. Like, it's not like an error thing, it's like, if I just, like, yeah, if I just type in, like, absolutely nothing, it just, like, doesn't do anything, I guess. That's what that's meant for. Like, the default is, like, if there's not anything, it just doesn't do anything, I guess. Like, I don't really need, like, I'm not sure if I need error handling on, like, just the input or whatever. Default also handles invalid output. Like, yeah, I have that, I have that here. Anyways, though. So that's those two set up. Now I need to actually just, like, set things up. I think, yeah. Right. Okay, I kind of need to piss. Can you make a room with this description? Actually, I already have like I actually already have a room with a carpet in it. So we could just, like, yeah. Yellow carpet, it smells like lemon hand soap. Like, I mean, I have like an old room with, like, an ugly green carpet that doesn't smell too great. You know what? Might as well. Might as well. Sure. Scruffy. I guess like scruffy. Scruffy is like the first sort of adjective to. It has a faint scent of hand soap. Yet it doesn't smell too great. There we go. We'll go with that. Anyways, I'm gonna go pee real quick. Hold on. Idle meeting. BRB. Anyways, I'm just gonna be back real quick. Okay, I'm back. So, alright. I probably should note this down here. Things I want... Oh, right. Yeah, things I want to fix / get done. So, first off, I need the inventory and examine commands. I probably should get this down while I can. Inventory and examine commands. I also need to change the movement. Change the movement. A little more specifically. I can't. Yeah. No walls. Not very flexible. So what I mean by this is like the system works, right? But currently my map in this sort of base engine is like a 2x2. It's a 2x2 grid, right? Yeah, it's like a 2x2 grid. Which, for our purposes, it's fine. But like if I want to expand to like a 3x3 grid, and there's no bottom right cell, then there's nothing stopping you from like walking into that bottom right cell. Like another thing as well, if I want to change the size of the map, I have to go in and change like all of these movement things. I also want to like change that as well. I kind of want to make, I think, it's like how I could fix this is like make border variables. Cause like right now, like these are just like hard numbers, right? Like the map size is just 1x1, like 2x2, right? So like, yeah, the 4 places you can be is like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1. So like, instead of just having like hard numbers here, we could like change it to like variables. So I can like change, like instead of like having to go through change all of these, I can just like change like values up top. And then somehow allow for walls. Walls / holes. There we go. Anyways. Slurp. Okay. Oh, why are you guys talking about politics in my chat? Who said you could talk about politics in my chat? I come back from the bathroom and I see you guys talking about politics. Okay, okay, but for real though, like, what's it called? I'm not like pissed. Just Yeah, we probably shouldn't. Anyways. Dolan sorted? Grrr! Okay, but yeah, try not to... Yeah, don't bring that up, guys. Don't bring that up. Anyways. Bailiffs slap their balls. Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome, Feather. Hello. Anyways, what was I doing? Right. I was doing shenanigans. But yeah, actually, unloaded. That could actually be like a nice way to sort of have like a base use for like items, I guess. Cause like, yeah, that'd be a sort of like nice sort of basic kind of. Let me like, okay. Cause like this is mostly just meant to be an engine for like future games I make with this. Yeah, so like the basic scenario could be what's it called? Actually, let's add like of soap for the take command. Actually, hold on. Inventory, okay, we need to add inventory, we need to add examine, we need to add take, and we need to add use commands. So, hold on, let's like bring this over here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, so we need inventory, examine, take, and use, and we can actually use that as a sort of like basic scenario to like, you know. Anyways. So that's something we could do here. What else do we need? Okay, so like movement and like finish up the commands. I think that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically all we really need to work on. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and add in a couple more cases here. So case, take. There's not any, what's it called? Break. There's not any shorthands for take, as far as I'm concerned. I don't really use T, I just go straight for take. Console.log. Take. Okay, that's like a variable name, hold on. Take. And then we'll do case, use, comma, colon, break. What did I do here? What did I do? Why are you blue? Why are you blue? Okay, well, okay, first let's like do this here. Why are you blue? If I comment out this. Okay. Why are you blue? Colon, semicolon, colon, semicolon. Why are you blue? I spelled break wrong! That's what... I spelled break wrong. Bro... That's... You know what? That's fair. That's fair. Anyways. But yeah, something you can do... Something I could do here. How do I... Okay. So, like, adding to the world file. So, like, what this is like a bunch of variables containing, like, item descriptions. Let's see. Okay. I'll have the empty room. Okay, so, like, yeah. It's quite barren compared to the rooms. Can I add just a line break like this? Test. Okay, we'll do that. Let's go ahead and see if we can add line breaks here. This. So we'll go north, west, east. Okay, so no, you can't add line breaks like that. Okay. Alright, how do I do this? Whatever. I'll just not have line breaks. Okay. On the Okay, so what side of the... Okay, it's like the living room goes north to the painting room. And then when you want to go west... Okay, north, and then we go east. Okay, so the empty room is sort of like... Okay, so like on the north wall. However... Huh. Machi, go the rest of the stream talking like you're in the 1800s. Man, I can't do that, man. Yeah, I don't know how I would do that. Like, I don't have a good British accent, man. I would if I could. On the north wall, however. Actually, what if we made this a bathroom instead? Because, like, that would make sense. Old bathroom. Yeah. Okay. So, instead of this is an empty room, this is an old bathroom. On the north wall lies a sink, lies a counter, and sink, right? How do I word this? My favorite part of reopening old code is trying to figure out what abomination I created in the first place. Dude, exactly. Like, for the most part, I understand most of this, but like, I don't get what this does. I don't get how this works specifically. Like, it takes in like the key inputs, and like actually, yeah, it's like, yeah, there's a function that takes in whatever key press you put in, I think, but I really don't understand the formatting of this. But basically, it just takes like, if I hit the enter key, then it takes whatever is inside like the text box. Like it takes whatever is inside that text box and then just like throws it in. It's, I don't get how this works, but it just works. Anyways. A counter inlaid with a sink. Is that how inlaid is that how you're supposed to use that word? Inlaid. Yeah, so like a lies and what's another word for old? What's another word for old? I don't want to use decrepit. Decrepit doesn't feel right. Ancient, I guess, like, I feel like on the north wall is an ancient counter. Ancient doesn't sound right. Ancient doesn't sound like a nice use. Senile. Okay, like, okay, sort of, okay. Senile, old, or decrepit counter does not sound right. Well, being nice, me. Dude, quit. Aged. Stained. I feel like stained implies that it's dirt. Like, it implies more that it's dirty rather than it's old. Like, I'm imagining the counter is like, it's like an old marble, right? Musty? Dusty. Not really. Dusty, musty, like, something that feels more solid, right? Like, alright, you two quit beefing. You two quit beefing. I see you guys in the chat. Like, I see both of you. Quit beefing. But yeah, grimy. Now we're kind of getting into like the realm of like dirty. Okay, let's put a pin in that for now. With an old, okay, with a ancient feels like with a rusty sink, I guess. A rusty. I mean, casket's not really an adjective. One day I want to be replaced with an AI. I would finally have me. I would finally have me mean messages to Vendy. I would finally have me mean messages sent to Vendy automatically. All right. I don't want to use old a billion times. Yeah. Lies a counter inlaid with a rusty sink. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So this brings up a couple issues, right? Next to the sink sits a small green bar of soap. A small yellow bar of soap. Okay, so now that there's an item in this room, we need two versions of this room, right? So this kind of like breaks the code here, because like, yeah. So like the way that the current room code works is like, for example, if I go north, if my x value, if my y value is less than 1, add 1 to the y value in the array, and then change my current room to that string. So what I need to do here, right, is like we need room 11, and then we need a room 11 with an item and a room 11 without an item, right? Like this. But I don't know how we would choose between the rooms, because right now, like the way it sends us to a room, it's like it's specifically with room, like it will send us to specifically room 11. Okay, so like if we go north 1 and then east 1, I believe. Yeah, north 1 and then east 1, then we will end up in the northeast room or room 11. And we need a way to distinguish between, you know. So like the reason why I have like two different living rooms. Yeah, the reason why I have two different living rooms is because like you start here, you start in like the start room. So like there's no commands that send you there. Like when you go back, using like the code like sends you to like room 00. So, okay. Maybe you can command that modifies the coordinate value, but only for that room by using the take action. What's it called? Also, you could put something that confirms you pick up the soap. So like, what I'm gonna do specifically is like, wait, instead of having two rooms, we could have description 1 and description 2, right? Hold on. Can I get like text wrap here or something? Control U, Control Z. No, it's not Control Z. Text wrap, Visual Studio Code, Alt Z. Okay, there we go. Okay, so like, also I'm not gonna give it a different color because like that would make the game easier. So okay, we could have like two descriptions, right? Okay, what? How does the room display work? Okay, so like dot description dot name. Okay, so like, so right here, for the game text, like, yes, like this targets the HTML file, like the HTML element that has the ID of game text. Right now, it just sends us the description, but we could kind of change this to be based off of room states ? Item or no item. So the key is like right here, right? So first off, let's go ahead and create two descriptions, right? Description, we'll say description 0, and then we'll say description 1, right? Description 1. And then we'll have this. Control C, Control V. And we need a comma at the end there. So, right. Okay, let's like, first off, let's do this. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's set this all to description 0 for now. Like, this is just like a placeholder thing, right? Description 0. Yeah, I gotta go, but I gave a suggestion from the last message. The keyword in it is seemingly. Seemingly. Okay. Well, let me like scroll up. That could be an interesting concept for like a future thing, but for now, like this is mostly just like a base. I'm not gonna do anything special with it. Like the only thing you'll be able to do is take the soap and wash the carpet. That's it. That's all I want to be able to do with this. You enter a room with a rusted sink on the inlay. A yellow stain. Ooh. Okay, wait. A yellow stain resides where the soap used to be. Okay. There we go. Yeah, like, yeah, I like that line. I like that line. Anyways. Okay, I'm gonna like translate that into what I think you're asking. If I do programming, how much money do I make? Honestly, I have no clue. I have not actually checked in on how much my major will make me. I just want to do it. Also, thanks for liking, by the way, whoever just did. Bess. B. There we go. Okay. It's an old... Okay. So for now, we've... Okay, so let's go ahead and do current room dot desk 0, right? Let's see if this is broken anything first. So let's go ahead. I need a P again. Undefined. Okay, so we broke it. Oh. Huh. Oh shit. Okay. We broke it. So description 0. Oh. Desk 0. Okay. So. Huh. Huh. Why? Okay. Bro's trying to get hired. Okay, layout was forced before the page was fully loaded. Okay. Okay, so first off, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back at the bottom here. I'm gonna see what that does. Control S, Control R. Okay, that fixes that. All right. That's why that's at the bottom. All right, so, right. So like living room is now undefined. Why? Okay, so start is like DESC0. Current room dot description 0. Okay, let's comment this out first. Save. Refresh. Okay, so that doesn't fix it. Well, let's get rid of all these zeros, right? Like this is like naming stuff. This might be part of the issue. Description 0, description 0, description 0, description 0. Control S, Control R. Okay, that fixes that. Wait. Okay. So if okay, if this is still description 0. Okay, so I can't name it description 0. We'll go, I guess I'll description A? Wait, actually underscore 0. What about underscore 0? Underscore 0. Underscore 0. Underscore 0. So does this fix it? Go back under here. Underscore. Boom. Boom. We go. Okay, it's undefined again. Okay, let's go back and delete all this. Yeah, get rid of all this. Also, thanks for liking whoever it is. How much to take over your streams? How much will it pay? Do you think I get paid for this? You think I get paid for this at all? I'm out here grinding. I'm out here freaking my shit for free. All right. Yes. No, I don't get paid. No. Anyways, it's like, huh. Okay, so this doesn't work. 2 shillings. Bro, if I got 2 shillings for this, get a job. Dude, I am 17. Anyways, I mean, I could get a part-time job, but like I can't drive yet. Right. So, world, okay, world, current room. What is current room? Room plus that. Dot. What if? This is an object, right? What is this? Okay. If I get rid of this and look into this, so now we have two descriptions. Okay, let's like save this and then reload this. Let's go north and we go east. Okay, so like that works. Now we just need to figure out how to be able to access, like we just need to figure out how to access the new description. So this needs to be in its own if. Okay, so right now, let's see if this works. I'm gonna try to replicate what I have up here. So function, let's have an empty function. Actually, hold on, let's like, okay, let's have function with no return this, and then this, right? Does this do the same thing? Okay, we'll save that. Okay, we have like 4 errors. There. We still have errors. Why? Okay, so how does this work? First off, okay, let's get rid of this again. So that has that. How does wrapping this in a function work? Function key. Where's your partner? Where's your little partner here? Oh, so key press function that 1 and then 2, I think, right? So that does that, I think. I guess that's my Spotify works again. You're shitting me. Alright, we'll go task manager, close Spotify again. Also, the BGM just ended. There we go. Okay, so we'll see if this still works. Oh. Oh wait, there's like 2 names, hold on. That's an issue. Why does that do that? Okay, so let's get rid of description 1 first. Save. Why does that do that? Okay, so it's not the description 1. Why does this do this? Okay, that's an issue. Hold on. Okay, let's get rid of this function call because I'm not sure if this is the play here. Control S, Control R. Okay, so it's because I had whatever the heck that was. It's because I had whatever the heck that was. Like, now that I get rid of the function call. Okay, so I'm not allowed to have that in there. So, how are functions formatted in JavaScript again? Functions. Actually, hold on. Functions, JavaScript. I forgot. Okay, exactly what I thought they would be. Alright, so I guess we could have... I mean, why would I need a function call? Actually, function description, right? So, okay. What we need for this description... Right, we'll do this. So we need to... Okay, so like, identify whether or not a room has a different state than it should. Okay, first off, let's make the default the description 1, right? So let's like switch these around. Actually, wait. No, yeah, we're good. Okay, this new one is like the second one or whatever. Actually, first off, I think what we should do before dealing with that, we should probably work out the take command. Actually, let's like work on all these commands. I think that the more important thing to work on is like getting all the commands to work, then we can work on that later. So let's go ahead and work on examine first. How does this... Okay, what do we have? Okay, first we take user input. Okay, so first off... Okay, let's work with... Actually, hold on, let's like rename this to room description. Room desk. Room desk. Please tell me this doesn't kill everything. Control S. Control S. Control R. It's undefined again. It's undefined again. Why? World, current room, room description. Why? Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. S, reload. Why? It is, I'm literally just changing names. I'm literally just changing names. Why? Text. Okay. The text of this, dot text. Actually, what does dot text even do? Text. I guess this? Dot text, okay. Gets the combined text contents of each element, including their descendants. Okay, so what am I even looking at here? Hold on. Wait, is this... I love debugging so much. This is making me piss myself, man. Oh. Okay, so unlike the HTML method, .text can be used in both HTML and HTML. The code. Okay. Example. It says it doesn't take any arguments. This method does not accept arguments. Then why does it have an argument? .text text. Oh, set the content of each element in the set of matched elements to the specified text. Okay. So if we scroll down here, okay. So down here we have text, text. Okay. So world.description. Okay, why does this work then? Scroll down, the function is overloaded. Wait, what? What do you mean? Okay, what's the context? What is the contents of world? Is current room greater than the length of the array? Okay, hold on. Okay, what's the contents of world? Is current room greater than the length of the array? You want the second variation? Okay, yeah. So like I scrolled down to like the second variation, right? Like this is the one where you have like stuff in it. Yeah. So overloaded. There's two different definitions for the same function, but with different arguments. Wait, what is? So, okay, so like right now, I have this commented out. So each thing only has one. Yeah, so each of these only have one, right? And what I'm trying to do is like, okay, it might be with like what I'm doing here, but like, so, every time I move to a new room, is current room a string? Current room is a string of, yeah, it's a string of two numbers. So like, yes, like current room is the word room plus the first value of xy and the second value of xy. So like the system I'm working off of here, yeah. Yeah, so the system I have working here is like every time you move somewhere, like the x or y in like this variable here changes. So like it just like smushes to like the system I'm working off of like smushes the words room, the first bit and the second bit to give me 4 different possibilities. Room 0, 0, room 0, 1, room 1, 0, and then room 1, 1, right? So like here, like it changes the text to, for example, the living room, right? Or like the start room. Initially it's like the start room, like up here. But whenever you come back to it, it's like world current room. So like world is, so world, world room 0, 0 dot description. Why do you guys say room description? But yeah, it's like all I'm doing is just like changing the names. So like right now, all right, quit spamming by the way. But yeah, it's like description. Yeah, so like, so it'll be like world current room dot description. And like, description is like the sort of like second line of the, this is, yeah, the second line of this constant here. So like, yeah, this description here, like the dot description here points to like this. So like, if I open this back up, refresh. So I go back down here, yeah, if an object doesn't have a key, it just returns undefined. Yeah, if it doesn't have a key. So like, yeah, like right now it works. Right now it works. It's like north, west, east, south, west, north. Like right now it works, right? But I'm just trying to change the name for like I want to change the name of this. So like say wait. Hold on. Okay, I want to test something real quick. Hold on. Room. Okay, what if I do this, right? Room description room description, room description, room description. I think I might be overcomplicating this. Okay, so let's just like do that, right? Save. North. Oh, it just works. It just works. I don't know what I was freaking out about. Okay. Yeah, I just had to change names. I don't know what I was freaking out about. So like it does have a proper key. It's just like I don't know what I did earlier. Oh, it's because okay, this one. So like for start specifically, if I type this in as room description as well, it doesn't. The start description doesn't use the same thing here. It uses up here. Like the initial one is like this. Wait. Game text, right? Wait. Why does it go to hashtag game text? Would this not just be room name? What the heck? What? Object 1. Yeah, so this goes undefined. Because okay, yeah. There's no room description. Okay, there we go. Refresh that. There we go. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay, but yeah, like I forgot to switch it around. Here, like if I have room description up here, the start uses which like one of these, right? I don't know why it uses. Oh wait, that's what caused the other bug. Hold on. If I change this to like room name. Right. If I do that. And then also get rid of room description here. This, yeah, because like that doesn't exist. So like earlier I was having like a little bug where like it would show like two different room titles. Like it would show like the living room and then like the other guy. Like that's just because like this one appended to the game text. I don't know why I did that. Hold on. But yeah. Here. Okay, so like north, south, north, south. Okay. Yeah, it still works. Yeah. So like. That's a nice. Oh, hello. What is this? Oh, I hit this. Okay, but yeah, it's like, yeah, that's like it still worked, but like that's like something good to catch. Like this here is supposed to be room name and not game text because it's like changing the room title. That's why I was having like duplicate titles earlier. Okay, we fixed that. Okay, so now that we have this, oh, okay. Alright, so now we just need to figure out how to implement like separate rooms. So like right now it just goes to like the default room state. So like I think I need to like do something like an if some value indicating if a room has changed. Then, to be honest, this is one reason I don't really like JavaScript. I would rather cast everything to a string and silently fail rather than throw an error. Yeah. Yeah, because like, it didn't really tell me anything. And like, instead of like, yeah, it didn't really tell me like any kind of error. But you know, I'm mostly just trying to get myself like back into things, I guess. And I also just want to like work on this because I think it's cool. I probably could like write this in something else, but like, it's a lot easier for this to just simply be like a couple like JavaScript HTML files because like it's like nice and light, I guess. I don't know. I probably could like do other things, but like if like since it's literally just raw text, it's probably better to be using, you know. Give it up for the oh so lovely JavaScript. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go pee again. Idle meeting again. BRB. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's test. Okay, Spotify. Do you want to work now? Do you want to work now, Spotify? Please? I just want to listen to my Hoshimachi Sui say. Oh! Yeah, we're so back. We're so back. No! 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 Oh. Come on. Oh, no. You know what? We can play it off of YouTube. We can play it off of YouTube. If I want to listen to Sui say that bad, I can play it off of YouTube. The Hoshiomi always finds a way. Here we go. Anyways. Alright. What was I typing here? I was literally typing mid-sentence and I went piss. What was I trying to say here? I'm just gonna... That's a problem for future me. That's an issue for future me. Anyways, let's get examine working actually. Like now that we've like fixed all of the display stuff, let's go ahead and start working on examine. So I think let's go ahead and start. Let's go. Item description. Okay, so like I think the system I want to use for this is gonna be similar. We'll take hashtag game text. We'll go hashtag game text, right? Dot text. Actually, do we go append here? Append? No, that's a thing. Yeah, I'll take this. Where are we? Here, right. Dot append. Instead of the world dot start dot description, we'll do. Hello, what? Hello, welcome back. On the highest peak over so back, even a sinister, it's so over. Might want to write. Oh, right. I always forget to like remove the. I always forget to remove that, whatever the heck it is. Yeah, anyways. So like, append. Actually, this is like really freaking easy. Couch. Right? We'll go comma here, couch. This is a couch. Dumbass. Comma. And then we'll just append. I guess like world. Okay, what do we have? World dot start. Yeah, we'll just do. Actually, I don't want to put this in the start because I don't want to write this twice. We'll just put this here. Yeah, this is a couch, dumbass. All right, so we'll have world. Ah, right. Okay, so if I do what I'm doing right now, it'll only examine exactly that couch forever and ever. So we'll have this for now. So like, okay, before we can do this, we need, do we need another switch case? We need another switch case. I'd recommend adding items like, I would recommend avoiding items like that unless you're sure they're gonna be in every room. You could have an items that has an array of items or something. Ah. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a good idea. So like what would I like, then you can just iterate through the array. So like, hold on. Actually, I probably should be using like for loops. I probably should be using for loops instead of like whatever the hell I'm doing here. Actually, I think it's fine what I'm doing here for now. But like, what's it called? So like, would I just do const items? I just have like another whole ass array. Okay, so like, do, yeah, we'll have items. I just want an item description for, actually, wait. I'll have this be the examine. No, you can store it within the room object. Oh, wait, hold on, so. Wait. Okay, you could have an items that has an array of items or something. So, like, right now, like, a room has items in it, right? Right? Yeah. So, like, right now I do have, like, this under the room description. Like, what do you mean? Because, like, this is already inside, like, the room thing, right? So, like, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do here. Hold on. I think what I have to do here... Oh, the song ended. Okay, so... Right. I think... Would I get bonked for playing this? Surely... Okay, I don't get bonked for playing song covers. I think we're fine. Yeah, I think we're fine. Anyways. So, like, I think... First up would be, like... Oh, I had it in my head just now. Check what room I'm in. Then we check... Yeah, we check the room I'm in. And then... Depends on what you want, to be honest. Could be a list of strings that correspond to a global map of objects, but if each room has bespoke items, I'm assuming you're gonna say you could have items be a list of objects with some standardized keys. If you expect every couch or lamp. It's like, okay, so like what I'm kind of doing here, this isn't exactly items yet. Yeah, so like what I'm doing here is for like items, because like, item descriptions, not like item descriptions, but like sort of like world things. Because like, what's it called? I'm just gonna bring up another. Yeah, I'm gonna bring up another. I'm gonna bring up another one for as an example. Let's go if the dream hold, I guess. Let's go. Okay, so like for example here, I'm bringing up another one. This is the dream hold. So like here, examine floor. Examine gap. Right. Gap. Okay. But yeah. So like. The floor and the gap in the wall that you can leave through aren't exactly items, but they're like sort of the descriptions in the world. Like, what I'm trying to do, like what examine is meant to be, is like, it throws extra item description, it throws extra room descriptions at you. Like, so like by default, each room will have its own room description, right? So like going back to mine. So by default, each room has its own description. What examine is meant to do is just throw out an extra, yeah, so like, yeah, right, what was I saying? By default, each room throws out like a basic room description. Examine is just supposed to throw out extra descriptions of like certain items. So like if I want to examine, let's reload this. So if I want to examine this couch, I'll type in examine couch, right? And it'll just like, just throw on an extra description of the couch under here. So it's not really an item. It's just meant to throw more descriptions at you. That's kind of what it's doing. Don't pay attention. Don't pay them any mention at this point. They're just a spam bot. No, well, they're not. I don't think they're a bot. Like, they're in here like fairly often. What's it called? Dot. But yeah, I think. Actually, I don't think Dolancer are like trolling or anything. I think most of, well, not, I don't want to weigh in on this. Anyways, but yeah, Dolancer's chill. Right, where was I? Okay, anyways, but yeah, so like, I think what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna have like more sort of like items under the world thing, and like. Depending on the room that you're in, like if you're in the right room, then you can like access this, and just like, yeah, like by default it throws this, but if you request it with examine, then it'll chuck more stuff. Yeah, it'll chuck more stuff. Right. check which thing, question mark? Throw new description. Throw more text. Okay. At the end of the day, you're in charge of the design, but having optional keys in your object is kind of bad design in my honest opinion. Understandable, yeah. It's like I'm like really baby. I'm like really baby with this. It's like I have like no clue what I'm doing. I feel like actually yeah. Hold on. Okay, so what did you suggest? Like depends on what you could do. So like okay, yeah, like okay, so like having optional keys in your object is kind of bad design. Okay. So like yeah, cuz like they're sort of meant like in these types of games, there are meant to be just like a bunch of optional descriptions. Cuz like if I go back to the Dreamhold, like you can examine the floor, you can examine the gap in the wall, but like you're not always going to. So like just from like a design standpoint, like they are like optional by design, I guess. So like, I think it's like fine if I just go in with this, but like going forward, like that's like good to note sort of going forward, I guess. Anyways, right. Where was I? Okay, so like I guess the first thing the first thing we can do is just take the user input, right? Okay. Okay, what would I start with? I don't think I need the if for the answer, because like this already takes user input. Let's see if this has access to like the user input first. I don't know if it does one. User input. There we go. I will try that. Okay. Windows. Where are we? Right, we're here. Okay, so like, let's go. Okay. It doesn't send multiple. Also, you two quit beefing with each other. Quit beefing with each other. So it only sends one thing. Yeah, it only sends one console log. Okay, so it already logs the user input here. Okay, we'll just like do this. Unput. Okay, we'll do this here. Just kind of like distinguish between the different user inputs, I guess. Bailiff, slap his balls. Okay, so like. Okay, so it passes examine 3 times. A. Okay, so when I type in something afterwards. Oh, it's because examine A isn't a case. Ah, right. I've only been accounting for single word inputs here. Oh my god. Okay, I have to like, okay. So first off, I have to figure out how to split this up, right? I just sent an example of what I mean. To be clear, I'm not saying you should do it that way, but I just wanted to show you. Okay, that's fair, yeah. Well, let me check this out. Oh. 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 Actually, that's okay. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That makes like a lot of sense. Actually, yeah, so I'm gonna kind of like format this a different, yeah, just like this. Okay, that makes a lot more sense, yeah. We're bestest of friends. I have beef with the KFC hater. I think he's referring to Vending Mogger. I think he's referring to Vending Mogger. Anyways, you can extend it however way you want, but ideally each object should have the same keys, so when you're iterating through things, you don't need to handle special cases. Okay. Okay, that makes sense, yeah. So like items, we'll just like put the couch in here. I think I need a comma there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, actually. Hold on. Okay, so this should have its own, like, parentheses as well. Oh, that makes so much sense. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's how you extend things. Okay. Think of them like classes in a language like Java or a table in SQL database. In a SQL database. Okay, yeah. So hi, welcome. Am I showing the right thing? Yeah, I'm showing the right thing right now. Okay, this needs to have its own... There we go. Like, okay, the pick-upable thing is like actually a pretty good idea. Hold on. Okay, there we go. We'll have that in for now, I guess. I'm not sure if I'll need this going forward, but like this is like a useful way to like format things. COD stream 1? I don't have Call of Duty. Unlucky. But yeah, we're doing a program. We're doing a coding stream. Right. Okay, so like instead of like doing it down here, what I could do is up here. Okay, so what I need to do here, take the user input, recognize if it has multiple words, split it up, and save as an array. I think that's what I want to do here. You can update the design however you want, so long as you don't break or fix the code. Just don't remove things you're using elsewhere, things like go boom. Yeah. Actually, we should also probably check if this still works. Let's see. Sorry for backseating. Okay, honestly, like I have like no backseating in like the description, but like I feel like this kind of stream, like backseating is like huge. Like backseating is so huge. But yeah, like I'm like very baby. What's it called? I feel like, yeah, I think I probably should be, what's it called, a little more honest. I'm not sure if you've been around when I've said this, but like, I guess I probably should mention this because I mention this all the time anyways. I've not gone to college yet. So I'm still like kind of like learning all these things. I've also kind of like silently disappeared off the side of the planet, and it's just because like I feel like you know, I'm confessing. I'm not 18 yet. Yeah. So like that's kind of like why I've like disappeared off the side of the planet in like some of the discords. I don't know if that's like relevant or not. Well, relevant? No. I don't know if that's like important or not, but like on one hand, like yes, I'm confessing to that. On the other hand, the static in the background hits hard. I forgot to restart the BGM. You know, we're listening to Allison. We're listening to Allison Music Land again. But yeah, so like on one hand, like I've like dropped out the side of the planet because like I'm a small child. You have a Discord? I mean, yes, like not this Discord, but like another, you know, other places. Yeah, it's like I've been like silent in like other places. I don't think anyone cares if I mention it. I've been like silent in the I've like gone like completely silent in the East Discord because like I'm a small child still. Like, yeah, to be honest, I suspected as much, but you're cool. Oh no. Okay, like I had a feeling some of you might be able to tell because like I was like pretty, yeah. You're cool? Okay. Cause like this entire time I've been like pretty silent about it. Cancelled literal child. But yeah, I'm like 17. I think it's fine to be like open about how old I am, cause like who cares? Who cares? Like it's not like that much of a dox. But please follow the rules and be safe. Yeah, like yeah. Like yeah. What was I trying to say? Yeah, like I've been like hella silent because like I'm a small child. Yeah, like yeah. If a server says 18 plus, please don't say you're 17 lol. Yeah, like I'm gonna like yeah, I think now that I've said that, maybe I'll come back. Maybe I'll come back at some point, but like yeah, technically like if you do the rules, if you break the rules, do it right. Yeah, like maybe I shouldn't have said that, but like for the time being, like what's it called? Right, what was I gonna say? I turned 18 in a couple months. I guess that kind of counts. Threat detected. Toddlers are literally boat sweetnesses. You fools. I'm a small child. But yeah, like I do technically turn 18 in a couple months, but like above all, be safe. Mixing adult and underage people can be a recipe for disaster. Yeah, like I try my best not to like be too, you know, I try my best not to insert myself too much anywhere. Like I've mostly like been quiet in the Discord simply just because like I kind of recognize like, wait a second, I should not be here yet. How many tunnels does it take to sing a boat? Just one. But yeah, I love how this has just turned into like a confessional. Like I'm confessing to my crimes of being a small toddler. Yeah, I do technically turn 18 in a couple months. It feels weird talking about this though, cause like in a couple months I am technically 18 and I technically fit over. But it feels weird saying that. It feels so weird saying that. Like I'm technically allowed to be here. But yeah, like I usually am not really too active in like fan chords and stuff anyways. Nuclear threat found, humans younger than 18 functions biohazard. But yeah, I've been like the reason like I was like a little more active like early on, but then I kind of like stopped interacting because like one, like I don't really interact in fan chords too often, and like two, what's it called? No, when you're 18, you're 100% allowed to be there, but keep it down on the down low and be safe. Yeah, like I'll like slowly be down low and safe in the meantime. Yeah, like I'll probably like slowly creep back in when I'm like 18, like when I'm 18. But, like for the most part, yeah, like I've been like absent because like I'm technically not supposed to be there yet. To anyone who has no clue what the hell I'm talking about, it probably sounds like I'm talking about something else because of like the age 18 clause. But it's not. It's just another fan Discord. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, I guess like I probably might start lol. What did you say lol to? What did I just say? What did I just say? I said something. Do I have DVR on the stream? Of course I do! Also, thanks for liking if anyone's just liking. Boat Hub? Yeah, like... Boat Hub. Oh, right, yeah, like... that. Okay, that's what I just said. That's what I just said. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it sounds like something else. It's not. It's just like a fan chord. Yeah, I might slowly, like, slip back in, like, after I turn 18, but for the most part, like, I don't really, like, interact too much in, like, fan Discords and stuff. But, like, yeah, that still sounds bad, lmao. Like, Boat Hub sounds crazy. But yeah, anyways, right, where was I? Right, okay. Okay, that's enough, like, confessing to my crimes of being born at the wrong date. So, like, anyways. Yeah, so, like, what I need to do here, instead of, like, just taking the user input, I just need to, like, split this up. So, like, I guess I could, like, wrap this in an if, right? Okay, this is really stupid. Like... I'm thinking. Guilty. Bailiff. But yeah. Anyways, so like I'm thinking, right? I'll do like if that, right? Okay, it's like write this out, right? If multiple words lmao. Then, yeah, if there's multiple words, let's like do this. Yeah, if there's like multiple words, then we'll do split up thingy. And then I don't want to like wouldn't if like wouldn't else if be fine here? Else if or whatever. Yeah, else if or whatever. Like I have like all these backslashes. I probably shouldn't be like throwing around all these backslashes, but whatever works. Else if or whatever. We'll have this. Yeah, else if or whatever. Just take the thingy. Yeah, split up thingy. Store as. Alrighty. I don't know. Something along these lines, right? So. It's like, how would I. Okay, the first thing I need to do is detect if there are any spaces. Oh, would I need to like do a for loop to go through the entire thing, and like, so like what I'm thinking, if, okay, so I'll do this. Hold on. Let's like Control Z. If you could split the string based on spaces and iterate through that. Like, actually, so like, what I was thinking is like, I need to detect if there's spaces, but like, if there's not, then like, I could just like, yeah, like, so like, what I was thinking initially, like, for loop going through to detect spaces, but that's kind of redundant, right? Because like, all I need to do here is just do it. Just do it. Text.split? Yeah, actually, what does text.split do? Hold on. Split. Oh. Text.split? Is it this? Wait, actually, hold on. I think I'm looking in the wrong spot. I think split would be a vanilla.js thing, like string.split. Should I also try? Wait, what is vanilla.js? Would this make my life easier? Would this make my life easier? The vanilla.js team maintains everybody code. Okay, so what is it? What is vanilla.js? Vanilla.js is just JavaScript without jQuery. Should I rewrite this entire thing using vanilla.js instead of jQuery? Because like I don't even have that much stuff on. Like it is literally just all this. I could easily rewrite this. What am I looking at here? Like if this is like easier than jQuery, and if you want to, jQuery has some nice features for DOM manipulation, but string manipulation is not a part of it. Okay. If you ask me to keep up the grind on the original thingy, yeah, actually I think for now I'll stay on this. I think I'll stay on jQuery. Cause like I feel like DOM manipulation is probably like the thing I need most, because that's pretty much all this is. Like I just have a bunch of text and like I have a bunch of text and like an input box, and like whatever I type in here just manipulates whatever is here. I think I can just like do the work with what I have here. So like I don't think like, yeah, I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine for the most part. Anyways, right, how do I split strings again? I've got to think back to like my comp sci classes again. What does this do? Yeah, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to keep this for your first project since you're already a good way into it. Yeah, like, it's like just a first project anyway. Okay, so like, if I have, okay, foobar. Is this what I should be using? Const foobar equals p.firstchild. So like, this like gets the contents. Split text 3. What does this do? How do we use soap without the water? Actually, you could use your spit. Okay, so like, what I'm doing, like, for what I'm gonna do, like, I'm just gonna like allow you, like, I'm just gonna allow for the use of the soap without water present. It's gross, but like, you'll just be able to use the soap, yeah. String.prototype.split is what you're looking for? Oh. 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 Play KK Slider Billie Jean? I don't want to, man. I don't want to. You know what I'm gonna do? It's no copyright? I mean, yeah, true. But like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play the Phase Connect Alice in Musicland cover again. That's what I'm gonna do. There we go. You're stuck in this hell with me. All right. Anyways, but yeah. So, okay, when the string is empty in a non, okay. Okay, so what am I looking at here? The separator is comma separator. Okay, so you set a separator, right? Wait. Const array of strings. What is this? Equals. Oh, wait. Okay, you pass it the separator, and separator here would be a space. Oh. Blah 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 dot split returns an array like this. Would I be able to use that? Hold on. Okay, ASDF space JKL dot split. Oh. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so like that dot split. Right? Wait. How do I use this again? Okay, so string dot split. Oh, you just pass it the separator, right? Hold on, so yeah, just anything dot split. Okay, so like okay, so like what if I okay, so like to do it here we'll have like a second variable, right? Let we'll just make this like let lmao. I'll come up with a name for this later. Actually, user input split. We'll just have this for now. Equals user input dot split. Does this work? Console.log this. This way you can check separator 0 for the type of command and any subsequent strings for arguments. Hold on. Wait. So if I do this, did I just do, okay. Okay, I did all. Okay, basically what I changed was this. Okay, so like, reload. Okay, so, oh, yo, okay. Okay, so now we get examine and couch. Okay, so if I go north, does this break it? Okay, it returns an array of 1. South. Okay. Not separated or separated. So you can check separated blank for the type of command. You can check separated. Okay, you can check the first item of separated. Actually, should I name it? Should I just name this separated? Yeah, it's probably easier. Yeah, I think that's what you're talking about, right? Separated. Yeah, I feel like separated is a lot easier to type than like user input split. Okay, so like, so it still accepts my stuff for whatever reason. Okay, so like, let's like refresh this. If I go north, it still accepts it. Why? Because like, it's now an array, right? Why does it accept this? Oh wait, I still have user input. Oh yeah, because I still have user input. Because it takes user input. Oh, okay, yeah, I still have the user input and now I have separated. So I can use separated and examine. Oh, wait, okay. Kyle helping with the code, me helping with item description, and Dolans are offering emotional support. I need therapy now. Okay, so I don't need to do this anymore. So... Okay, so... Right. So we'll take examine. Can we do this in just one line? Hold on. I think we can do this, right? Let's like take this. Do this. Append. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, I've been like, I need to like close this. Here we go. So like, I'm going down here. Append. Instead of the room description, we just append. Okay, so like, I don't think I need pickupable anymore. Actually, we'll keep it for now. Okay, so like, it's room. So we need room, current room, dot, it's like the current room, dot items, dot, I would just use brackets, right? And then we use separated, the second, we separated 1. Because like, you'll never have like multiple words, right? We might be cooking. Where's the error? Hold on, there's an error here. Identifier expected. Wait, would this just be items separated? Wait. Dot items separated. Okay, let's just test that. If we rename the variables, whatever makes sense to you, I just called things out because I'm sleepy. That's fair, yeah. Honestly, like separated kind of makes sense in my head. Please work. Oh. What just happened? Oh. Okay. I sent you an example of what I meant. So I split it. Examine. If length. Okay, so. Switch. VOD Frogs, how many times has Vending said the word couch? Actually, I kind of like that. I kind of like the fan name being Frogs. Just because Clyde exists. Okay. Case examine. If separated links Separated length is 2. Let item equals... Okay. Okay, I see what you're kind of doing there, yeah. Yeah. I got from Point Crow? Wait. Hold on. What do you mean you got that from Point Crow? Okay, so first off, this doesn't work. Why is this doing this one? Okay, it moves us to the next room. Why? Oh, it's because immediately after you hit enter, it like kicks you out of the room. Okay. Yeah, it kicks you out of the room and like puts you in like the if you come back room. So he calls the VOD watchers on YouTube VOD frogs. No, I can't be stealing that. No. It's so over. It sounds catchy though. Theft. Alright, let's get rid of this for now. Anyways. Okay, so like I understand what I'm getting here, but like I'm getting a little EP. I'm getting a little EP. Alright. Let's make sure everything is saved. Everything is saved. Close that, close that. I think I'm gonna try to work on this next time. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work on this next time. And it is sort of getting to that time, so. Anyways, yeah, I think that's a pretty good place to sort of cut it. I kind of know what I want to do next time. I want to try to start getting examine to work. Yeah, I want to get examine to work. And then... Yeah. I want to get examine to work, and I want to see if I can get other stuff to work. But yeah, like... Best of luck with the game 07. Thank you. When it's done, I could literally just release it as a zip. Because, like, it is literally just HTML documents. Like, there's not anything too crazy. Like, literally just, like, I can just literally send it as an HTML document. Like, put it up on GitHub or something, and all you have to do is open, like, download all the files, and then open index.js, and just be done with it. Because, like, the game type is, like, so simple. Like, you could probably just, like, do that. But, yeah. That's how I built Color Tagger, lol. Oh, I thought you said had a lol at the end. That's how I built Color Tagger tool? Yeah. Yeah. But, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So, I need to pee again. I need to sleep. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's stream. Thanks for popping in, anyone who's here. Thanks for popping in, anyone who may not be here anymore, for checking out the VOD. Not the VOD, checking out the stream if you're not here anymore. How does my outro go again? Right, VOD gang, like and subscribe. If you've been watching all 2 hours of this madness, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone who's been here. Have a good day, night, morning, day, night, evening, everybody. I've been the vending machine in the library, or Vendy for short, or Machi for short, or whatever the heck you want to call me. And yeah, that's gonna be stream for today. Bye bye. And thanks for the 14th like, by the way. Anyways, that's it. That's it. Like and subscribe, VOD gangers. I'm out of here. Stop yapping.